Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mix bright green. To achieve a vibrant green, you need to begin with the purest yellow and blue pigments available. Steer clear of any colors that have muddy or dull undertones, as these will prevent your green from truly shining. A clean palette knife is essential for thoroughly blending your colors without introducing unwanted hues. This foundational step ensures your bright green is as vivid as possible. Now let's get to mixing. Start with a generous dollop of your pure yellow on your palette. Then, introduce a very small amount of your pure blue. It's always easier to add more blue than to take it away. Gradually incorporate more blue, mixing thoroughly after each addition until you achieve your desired bright green hue. Remember, patience is key to getting that perfect, luminous shade without overdoing it. Once you have your base bright green, you can fine-tune its characteristics. To lighten your green and create a more pastel shade, add a tiny bit of white. For a warmer, more yellowish green, simply incorporate a bit more yellow pigment. If you prefer a cooler, bluer green, add a touch more blue. Experiment with these adjustments to find the exact bright green that suits your artistic vision. To ensure consistent success when mixing bright green, always work with clean tools. A dirty brush or palette can easily contaminate your colors and dull your vibrant green. Before applying your mixed green to your final piece, always test it on a scrap surface to confirm the color is exactly what you envision. For future projects, make a note of the approximate ratios you use to recreate your favorite bright green shades effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.